Okay, so I'm going to do the regular size satchel. I'm going to select blank canvas. I'm going to upload the file, browse my computer. I'm going to go to the SVG folder and select satchel, open, continue, upload, over here, on group. That's part of it. I'm going to do the handle in red. The base is going to be pink. The base to the bow and the top of the bow will be in red, and the bow itself will be in pink. I want lots of contrast in this bag, so I'm going to go ahead and send that to make. No, I don't want to save. Okay, so I'm using the extra long mat. If you don't have the extra long mat available, you can just go ahead and use the printed version of the pattern and cut the handle and the base out. It's the only part that does not fit on a regular 12-inch mat. So I'm going to change my tools and use the rotary blade. Fine point blade, I have not had any success cutting felt with so far. So I am ready to go ahead and start cutting.